I'm Kwame Alexander, and I'm a lover of words. You're about to see an amazing play, a musical written by Mary Rand Hess and Randy Preston and myself, with some amazing actors and an incredible director, and that's it. Enjoy it. There is nothing you need to do. There's nothing you need to prepare. You prepare for this experience by living your life. You've already done that. You're in the process of doing that. So I have nothing to offer to you other than enjoy the heck out of this, because I did writing it. But I hope you go out and you want to read more books about these musicians, about who inspired Duke Ellington, about who inspired Miles Davis, about why Miles Davis used to play with his back turned to the audience, about who inspired Nicki Minaj. I know y'all know who that is. About who inspired Miss Dolly Parton. Like, how cool is it that all these things are colliding, and I hope they collided in your brain and you enjoyed yourself, and now you're gonna go out and listen to some jazz, and you're gonna go out and make the world a better place, one note at a time. See what I did there? Boom.